Which side you been putting it on? Don't matter.
Either side.
Then I ass hook them. Gotta switch it up on them. Fucking, look at that nasty.
On the bottom, all the way at the bottom.
Come on. This is a sweet one. Oh, it's a hell of a trigger, Bubba.
How big is it?
This is about a 2.5 pounder. There you go, he's going up. Bring him. Nice, it's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice.
Yeah, boy. Post with your fish.
Holy shit.
That's a nice one. Don't get him too close to the water now. I hate to make you go swimming. Want to get this side?
See, how big is he?
Just like good fishing.
Yeah, boy. That's a nice one. Shit, yeah. Key West Boys does it once again. Nice.
Key West mangrove snapper.
Lights gotta be running good though, you know? Because they're going out that way. Yeah, baby, this is a good one.
Woo!
That's it right there. Check that out with that light. That's a beauty.
Beautiful. Woo!